In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a post on Facebook Marketplace using the best method available. This simple yet effective process will walk you through each step, ensuring you can easily manage your listings. So, let's dive right in. Firstly, you'll need to log in to your Facebook account, open your favorite web browser, type in the Facebook URL, and hit enter. Once there, enter your login credentials to access your account. Being logged in is the first crucial step because you won't be able to navigate any personal settings without it. Next, take a look at the top right corner of your Facebook homepage. You'll need to click on the arrow or three lines, which opens a drop-down menu filled with various options. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This section holds numerous tools that allow you to manage your account in detail. Clicking here is essential as it leads you towards your activity log. After selecting Settings and Privacy, go ahead and click on the Activity Log. The Activity Log is your personal ledger of actions across Facebook. It's the digital breadcrumb trail of the things you've liked, posted, commented on, and of course, your interactions on the marketplace. Scroll through the options here until you find your Facebook activity. Now, navigate through the section labeled Your Facebook Activity. When you click here, you'll be presented with a summary of all the categories of actions you've taken on Facebook. For managing marketplace interactions, you will want to focus on the link saying Facebook Marketplace. Once you're in the Facebook Marketplace category, you'll notice a list of all your active listings and previous marketplace activities. Find the specific post you want to delete and look for the three dots icon next to it. Clicking on these three dots opens up additional options related to your post management. This feature is user-friendly and makes it straightforward to decide what actions you'd like to take with each listing. With the options now displayed, you will see the delete option there. Click on delete and you might be asked to confirm your decision. It's Facebook's way of ensuring you're making deliberate actions, especially when removing content related to selling. Confirm your choice, and with that, your post will be deleted from Facebook Marketplace. By following these steps, you can manage your Facebook Marketplace listings effectively, keeping your space clean, relevant, and reflective of what you wish to share or sell at any time. Thank you.